Okay, here's some sand live oak. You can see it's pretty solid. There's some spalting here, and what's important is that it's got a bump here, a branch here, an X branch here, which some of it's rotten and soft, but inside. So we'll see. The other end you can see it's been sitting this way for a while. But my intent is to start with a piece of wood that make a vase with a piece of wood that's got a lot of character, and we'll see what happens when I start turning it. Okay, so I ended up with 2 pieces of wood out of that. We'll see how it goes. But you can see this piece here is got a lot of spalting in various colors in the wood. I don't know what it'll look like when I turn it, but it looks nice. It's got bark all the way around. I'll probably remove all the bark on this piece, but I don't know that. And you can see it's got gaps here and here, so it may or may not hold on, but there's nothing special about the bark per se. But so there's that piece. And then this piece has this dead branch, features where the strain in the wood caused it to bulge out. So we'll see what that does. You can see though it has that dead branch comes out probably right here, I don't know. But it again has spalting and other various colors of oak. And this end you can kind of see it too. So in any case it might turn out nice. Well, here you can see it's here. It looks pretty straight. Obviously this big bulge is going to go away, but it should reveal some interesting stuff down inside. And it's fairly straight. I must have gotten relatively perpendicular here. I'm going to put a live center over here just to help it be stiffer. Okay. Okay, here is a piece of scrub live oak that I've cut and turned now, and I've left a lot of, here's the knot, the turned edges, then you see some live edge, and then you'll also see some natural edge, but not much of that. And so it's a very interesting piece of, an interesting vase. It turned out really nice, I like it. It's fairly simple. It didn't take me very long to do this because I only turned the outside. I drilled the inside, and the sanding can only do so good when you've got bark, because the bark tends to be fuzzy and you sand the daylights out of it and put a coat of finish on it, then it does get it a little bit smoother, but it turned out pretty nice.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond.